Hello students, I am Dr. Shweta from Department of Community Medicine and today we will be learning about types of variables. So here is a question. A physician is examining a group of patients of a certain disease and classifies the condition of each one as normal, mild, moderate or severe. Which one of the following is the scale of measurement that is being adopted for classification of the disease condition? Nominal, interval, ratio and ordinal. So let us look at the answer. The answer here is ordinal. So let us see each one of them one by one. What is data? Okay, data is nothing but it is a collection of information or the values of various variables obtained from the sample of subjects. Okay, and also this data undergoes scientific analysis and then reasoning. So what is this indicators? For example, if you are conducting a research on diabetes mellitus patients, then you are going to take various kinds of data, information from them, like their age, their residential status, their occupation, their BP, their anthropometry, and what are their blood sugar values, all this. So all this information together will be called as data. But what is variable is it is any quality or a characteristic of the subject which can be measured or which varies. For example, if we take in that same population BP measurement. So the BP measurement can be measured and it is varying between the people. So this is the difference between data and variable. So what are the different types of variables? Basically, broadly they are classified as quantitative variables, otherwise called as numerical data. That is, when any information can be told in numbers, that is called as quantitative. Blood pressure, serum lipid, body weight, many other examples. Whereas qualitative variable, otherwise called as nominal data, where the information is recorded not in the form of numbers but certain defined attributes. For example, sex, male or female, outcome of treatment, recovered or dead, blood group, satisfied with the treatment or not, yes or no questions. So all these becomes qualitative variables or nominal data. What are the types of quantitative variables? So quantitative variables can be discrete scale, numerical, continuous scale, numerical, ordinal scale. Discrete, continuous or ordinal scale. What is discrete is, we can give a integer number and decimal points cannot be given in this discrete scale. For example, number of abortions, it cannot be given as 5.5, okay, in decimals. It has to be given an integer. Number of doses of vaccine taken, it will be 2, 3 like that. So we can't give any decimal value. That is numerical discrete scale. Next is numerical continuous scale, where in between the integers also can be taken. That is decimals are allowed. Then it is called as continuous scale. Lastly, it is called as ordinal scale, where certain grades, we have many examples in medicine where we use different grades of dyspnea, Apgar score is given numbers, grades of cancer, all these are nothing but ordinal scale. What are qualitative variables? There are different types, that is nominal dichotomous, nominal polychotomous and ordinal polychotomous. Okay, what is nominal dichotomous is, there can be either only two answers, binary, okay, that is either hypertension, yes or no, status, dead or alive, something like that is dichotomous. Nominal polychotomous is, there can be several alternative answers, not only two. For example, blood group, religion, it can have different answers. So it is polychotomous. Thirdly, ordinal polychotomous. What happens is, sometimes where we saw, they might not give us numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 like we saw in the previous ordinal data. They can give it as mild, moderate, severe. Okay, this same 0, 1, 2, 3, they can represent it as mild, moderate, severe. Then it is ordinal polychotomous. So these are the two types of variables and their parts. Here is a problem where we will be seeing how which kind of data it is. Okay, so first example A is satisfaction with services provided by the health worker, and the responses were recorded as -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Okay, that was the recording. So it is mostly what kind of data? It is recorded in numbers. So it is numerical and it is actually a ordinal data. Okay, that is, it is given a number. So numerical, ordinal. Next is obstetric history which is recording the gravida status. Here also obstetric history can't be, it is only a discrete value, okay, and also it is given numbers. So it is 5, that is discrete numerical. Third one is clinical efficacy of an anti-cancer drug recorded either survived or died. So this is very easy, that is it is dichotomous nominal. Next is coronary angiograms recorded as no blockage, mild, moderate, severe. We talked about it just now, that is polychotomous ordinal. Coronary angiograms recorded as actual diameter of the coronaries. So it is continuous. We can give even the decimal values. Numerical continuous. And lastly, indoor admission data of the chest diseases. Diagnosis were recorded as either lung, heart disease, etc. It is nominal polychotomous. So with this, we'll end this video. Thank you.